The hardest things I ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go to temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only help you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect one, and fool enough to think that's what I find. So here I am with pockets full of good intention, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend outside. I'm hanging on to hope, but I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect one, and fool enough to think that's what I find. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect one, and I'm fool enough to think that's what I find. And I'm fool enough to think that's what I find.